Hi and welcome to a new video. The auto rotate feature is quite convenient, especially if some of your favorite applications work better in a specific layout, whether in portrait or landscape mode. So it can be rather frustrating if your iPhone won't rotate as expected when you tilt it sideways or vice versa. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem on your iPhone. Let's go. If the iPhone screen does not rotate whenever you tilt it, check if you have actually enabled the auto rotate feature on your iPhone. Open the Control Center and make sure that the Portrait Orientation lock button is disabled. To test if it works, open any app that supports landscape mode and tilt your iPhone horizontally. The screen should now hopefully rotate as expected. Otherwise, check out the following steps to make the rotation feature work properly. This kind of problem might also be situational since a few applications' user interfaces still may not support landscape mode. But since most apps occasionally develop updates to their features, make sure to keep them up to date to acquire possible new functionalities and even bug fixes. To update an application, open the App Store and tap on the profile icon at the top to go to your account information. Browse through the list of your installed apps, and an Update button should appear beside each if a new version is available. If there is one, make sure to tap on it to install the latest updates. Most apps can only be updated if your device also has the recent iOS version installed. So updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version may also help in resolving the problem. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings, select General, and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the Volume Up and Volume Down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. Unfortunately, if none of the methods I've mentioned worked, it's possible that the app you're trying to rotate doesn't support landscape mode, or that the issue is hardware related. Perhaps you may have dropped your iPhone or encountered any situation that could have resulted in physical damage to your device. For hardware-related issues, the best solution is to contact Apple support so that they can diagnose what went wrong with your device. If your iPhone is still covered under warranty, Apple will repair it for free. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.